So this the string here to do to do two strings to watching to do. Okay, so one is normal string. You do what? Oh my god. One is the string. So okay, everything is done, I guess. Makes sense. So if you are watching from shorts, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Okay, back to work. Done, 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 done. So today's Rust and today's topic is concurrency. So I have finished smart pointers today. I didn't post a video on that. Even that I have started fearless concurrency. So what is okay? So threads is basically programs which is running under a process, and that process is divided into threads. Okay, for example, how to say so escalator. So so I'll delete this also. Perfect. So do this. So basically this is called process. So inside there will be containers like this. So it's one, this two. So this is T1 and this is T2. So T2. So what this does this runs a program. So so it's a program. So what this program does is this has this thing. Okay, another one. Okay, makes sense. So this is the program. So this program is run twice it's like a thread. So this is one, this is two. So just think I want to run this thread and then this thread. So there is a method called join. So what this join does is this will put an end here. So in middle of this. So what this does is, so these are same identical programs. So anybody watching, so it's live. So this is one live, okay, it's one view. That's the chat, man. Yes, 36 and chat. There's no chat, man. So how this is the, so this is one stream, so no problem. So what is the chat? Do I need to enable chat here? I don't know. So no problem. So I'll use it. So this is the chat. So it's not having chat, man. Any mode, okay, it's not. It's a chat. There's no chat. Okay, if you can't see. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's only 1 hour time limit. No problem. We'll finish that. Nice time coding. Oh, my bad. So this is like this. So basically what thread does is, if one thing is done, then this will run this thread, then this thread, and everything finishes. So you'll see that here. So so okay, using that you can code simultaneously. Makes sense. So it's operating. So and an executed program is run in a process. So that process is multiplied. So operating system will maintain. So that process is a part. So features that run these independent parts are threads. So the process is split it into twice or thrice like threads. So these are race conditions, deadlock. So it's like if you are siblings and there is only one apple, but you both want that one apple means, but there is a condition you can't share. So these are called deadlocks. So or else there should be two apples after, and also so I'll explain that. So here how to write threads in Rust. So before going into threads, there are some concepts called closures. So what closure does is, I think there's no lambda in this Rust, and in Rust, so as lambdas are closest in Rust. Okay, basically what lambda does is you can write this thing into this. So I'm using so for 200 times. What closure does is it takes an argument and returns something. It's a short form of a function. See this? You can use like this. So f close. So f close is what I will write something like this. Function return now. Okay, I'll x is equal to 832 and that should return an 832. So x, this is the function. So and I want to store it in a function. What I will do, let now is equal to return now and I will pass something like 4. So what this does is this will return 4 to now, and I can also print here that from the function from the closure. So okay, so I need to now okay extends right. So what this does is, so this is equivalent to this and this is equivalent to this. This is the way to write, but using glosses we can write like this. Are you watching? So I can use the chat here. What I forgot the chat is disabled for the stream. Oh, I guess that's the main thing. So stream settings, so I can edit that, edit it, customization like chat. Oh, is it public or private? So details, sources. So okay, automatic concepts, standardizing. So I guess this is private, I guess. So this is live now. Okay, so edit the video. What happened? Let's try. So okay, this is a video. Why? What happened? So it's a live. Okay, I will change this to this. Okay, save. Oh my gosh, I got save the customization. So customization, there is nothing how to enable chat. So detail. So what happened? So there is no tab. So I need these things here. I'll go to ChatGPT. So I need some subscribers, right? I'm doing this thing for every day. Okay, I'll use the coffee. Change this to that. I'll try to open the chat. Okay, done. Okay, so okay, I'll paste this here. Okay, video done. Okay, anything like tags? There is no tags. Yeah. So tags. I cast. So it's over there. Okay, there are 2 times use as well. Coding speed, coding practice, history, DSL like that. Around this, okay, makes sense. So, coding resources. Oh, yeah. Okay, remove this and code resource. So, oh, yeah. So, coding sessions makes sense. Okay, say done. So now I'll get some good views, I guess. Why? So where is the chat also? Okay. Was here generated? No, bro. Why, bro? Okay, now what like this? Okay, I'll watch this. So how to yesterday use, oh, it will show some tags here. Video tags, creator speed, channel tags. Okay, now so how to enable chat and like how to enable chat for the set scheduled stream. Okay, go live manage the file. So customization. So oh, I get 39 out of no problem. Okay, so where is the okay live stream manage not now, so streaming software. So to what I want to do, create a video manage the click. So no problem. I'm not interested in increasing the bitrate. So SAD customization. Type chart is disabled for this video. Why, bro? Why? Okay, safety issue. The channel is made for to attack. Oh my gosh. Why? So details because of glitch, that's it. Restrictions. I need to No. No. Age restrictions. No, don't restrict. Say, I want my chat. Oh my gosh, thank God. No. But it's okay. I want my chat. Edit. Okay. What is it? So I will go to this. So now with customization, customer reply, subscribers only, not for 7 minutes. It's just like any duration. So like comedy. Okay, live chat, reply. Okay, save. But it's not working. So utility is public. Okay, accept. So that's it. It's not working. Chat. Does anybody know how to enable chat? So it's not. So so I can't do that. Okay, why? Is that any problem? So set for you. So no, that's so where is that? So I'll open this also. Not now. It's coded. So open this. Customize. It's not right. So it's like it's not set pocket. What I want. So if I make I like chat is disabled for the stream. Why? Okay, audience. Change it to channel restrictions. If maybe your channel receive comment. Why? Okay, go live. Enable go live stream settings. Make sure. So I didn't see that. Stream settings. Cancel stream settings. So concurrent viewers. So my bad. Leave it. So leave it. We'll do that next time. So this is the thing. So this is the closure. So we'll be creating threads here now. So hard disk does a system. Oh, so so before creating a thread, so what are the things? So it's like you should spawn the thread. Spawn is like create. Spawn. So what this does is this will spawn the thread. So the thread that will this this will create the thread, and this will sleep. So thread dot sleep. This sleep method is, so it's like if you are running at a speed of 30 but you want to slow down to 20, what you will do, you will minus 10, right? So like that you are stopping the thread. If thread is running 2 milliseconds, you are stopping the 2 milliseconds to 1 millisecond. So it's like waiting, making the thread to wait for some time. So this is the font thread, this is the main thread. So difference between this and this is this and that is, so this one is we are creating manually. So for example, if you are running a program, the system itself already creates a thread for that. So this is the main thread. If you want another thread, means you need to create that thread. So like this is the thread for that. So for example, so I need to create, so this is the basic thread. So println I from in. So I am sleeping means reducing the running time duration from I, so one time. So basically this is the method. So I'll import that here. So you std thread is one, and then std by duration. So I think this is not working. So no problem. So we'll run this. So rust c close order. So come. So no problem. So we'll run this. Ta-da! Close. So I from my thread. So this works. It doesn't have an order. So which comes, then that will be. It's like you are waiting in a queue. Then think your friend comes inside in front of you because you allowed that guy because he's your friend. So like that here you see you are the main. So you're the main here. So you are in that queue. Before you, your friends came, two friends came. So you allowed them, they executed, they got that fish. Then you got that fish. So it's like you don't have a particular order when you're not using join or something. Okay. Okay, actions, right? So this is their system's thread execution, and this is my system's thread execution. So this differs, this output differs for people to people, person to person, not people to people. Waiting for all threads, it's like on, okay, it's join. Use join, then it will run. So you see, if this finish, then this run. So it will wait for the thing. Start. So I'll put that in a. So it says here I can add join. So this is, so if any error occurs, it will undraw it. Okay, actions, right? So now this thing will be, so then now this is from thread and this is from main. So it will wait for this thing as like this. So actions, right? I did this, but here what happens is it will run this, then it will run. So at certain time it will wait for this. Then when the line reaches here, then it completely finishes it, then comes to this. So use move closer with threads. What is move? Okay, so we are moving something. So here it's a vector, and we are moving this thing into this. So we are passing it. So here it takes the ownership, and it does not make any worrying errors yet. So the good thing about closures is that so it will help to move. Okay, this will move that. So thread is out here, then oh no, then this is drop. What drop this is out of the scope. So closer takes an ownership of V. So that is explained here. So really creating something like is equal to a macro. So what a macro does is just create a vector. So this is the thing. So I need to move that. So move that. So now I need to run that. So what does that is? So so I'll run that. Okay, I'll run an iterator into this. It's the dot and I want all these things. So I need to first element here. So what element is it's alternate to start to this is return, then it's a return a function, not a, it's a return something like collect. So I guess I will get an error because it's a iterator. I should let final is equal to, oh, it's a keyword. What I that I had and okay, I'll make okay anything anyhow. So this fin. Okay, how to return something inside a thread? So the scope inside is this. So rent it. rent. Okay, so I did and I need to run that len fin. So fin gets an array, not a eject. So done. So rent it's done. So clone. Okay, let's run. So is mode. The value here. Then so here is the vector. I'll run the first vector here. So it's so the vector. So v colon q. This is a debug macro. Okay, done. This is right. So run this. PC close .rs. So I will get some errors, I guess. So I forgot to add that. So before doing this, you should add a variable here. So what this is, this will take this as a parameter. So run this. Ta-da. Okay, it's close. Okay, right, you got it. It has some thread, then it runs this, then run this, then has some main. So it's like getting something done. Trusted data between threads with message passing. Okay, so moving into some message channel. So what is this? It's an threads or actors communicate sending other messages containing data ideas or don't go along with it. Don't communicate by sharing memory, instead by sharing memory. Don't communicate by sharing memory, instead share memory by communicating. I see. So message sending concurrency. So it's like making a TCP stream out of it. So in a channel in programming is like water okay to host transmitter and receiver. Okay, so MPCS so receiver under this thing. So okay, here we work on a one thread generating value. So this is the main thread. Another thread receives the value and prints them out. So it's like sending simple values between threads using channel to illustrate the speech out. So what you are doing is you are creating two threads and which takes a channel output which is a transmitter and a receiver. So you'll use std sync here, which is message or say sending something. Okay, this is a library. Okay, so it has a buffer. Okay, so I can whatever I like. So yeah, PC. So MPC is a channel sync channel. Okay, receiver, sender, okay, iterator, into iterator, sender, receiver, and sync center. Okay, just head to this. Okay, I have created a receiver and a transmitter. Okay, this is a multiple producer and a single consumer. So it's like a Kafka like stuff. In sending multiple sending ends that produce values that one receives and consumes those value. And then multiple streams flowing into one big river. Everything is down in streams and about 10. Okay, you are sending too many things but only one gets. So it's like messaging one person. So it's a tuple. First element is the sending end and second end is the receiving end. So tx. So done. So what it told us is one is reduce something called thread. So thread. So is it create two threads here? So let thread 1 is equal to, so what is the trick to? It's on. So it's a need a function. So I guess it's add closer. So okay, makes sense. I'll create onto another thread to no, I don't. Thread to on another thread to on here. So okay, another one here. So I see. I just need only VC, not others. So done. Okay, tada. Okay, done. So channel. So okay, sync underline. Okay, so I need to move this thing. So I need to use here. So it's getting some values. So let message is equal to string hi. So string hi. Okay, it's hi. So that's it. Then tx. So this is sending something. So send. What is send? Send returns an empty tuple and an error with G. So okay, so this just takes the hold on here. So S is 100 here. So you can use something like OK or error, I guess. So done right. Ta-da. So here it will receive something. So message received dot test. So we they are doing in the main thread. So I am doing this in another thread. So let receive is equal to or x is the guy. So I need to receive. This is the function which returns a result and an error. So it's an UNDRA. So I need UNDRA wait. So rent line. So this receive. So I'll try to do some magic here. So done. So I'll delete. So tada. Okay. So what is that? I add. So cannot be shared. Okay. Why this error comes? So I need to over that. So it's okay done. Okay, unused variable here. So it's like message received. So I run that. What is the message? So I need to know the message, right? So done right. It's a channel thread dot. So I need to make that sender receives also message, not like that. So I need to make it 8 this for a second. So thread dot d. I so duration, so this will and it seconds, right? Okay, wrong. Okay, done. So what is this doing? So I need to read this. So thread dot hand not handle. So I need to join this. Then I need to undo that error. So done. I know that. Okay, done. Okay, I'll run this. So first of all, I will close this first. Okay, cargo run. So it will. So I add. So okay, it's underscore. Hey, what is the error here? So I need to join this also. So join. So I'll close this. So under. So I'll run that again. Okay, I got cast message is received. So I'll make this something right. If this is done, then message received. So rent rental and message received. So message sent. Okay. So we'll be doing Sonic stuff again. So we are reaching the end of this. So we'll be doing project. So message sent, the message is received. Hi. So okay, done. So I'll close this now. Okay. So it's using my. So got a transfer ownership. So I think so. It's like moving that to thread. So if you're passing threads inside, moves and you saw. This is the same. So move, then one thread, so I want two threads, no problem. So I from, well, this is the basic implementation of every message protocol, creating multiple. So I have done this. This is the thing I have done here. So multiple producers and one receiver here. So this is like an architecture for sending too many things and receiving at this end. Oh, so sad. So this is my confusing topic I have. So mutex only allows one thread to access some data at one time. So this is the most important concept. So that is watching. So I have after this. So subscribe. Nowadays subscribe. Da 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 da. So chat is also that today nowadays will. So this is okay. This is like this. So what is the thing? So 51 minutes, excellent. Da 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 da. So yeah, it's nobody's watching this. Okay, it's just, oh my gosh, I got that. So this is 53 minutes. No problem. 3 views. Thanks, bro. It's higher than the recommended. The stream bitrate is higher than the recommended bitrate. So what is the recommended bitrate? We recommend that use 2500. Okay, but it's, I guess it's 3000. Okay, to auto recording inactive, no problem. 52 says okay for fine on I got. If Linux, if it's Windows, then it's double the process. It's not double, it's thrice the process. It fucks up Windows every time. I'll stay low things. If I have done so, it will get lagged too many times. So we are into mutex. So what is a mutex? Chart state concurrency. So message processing is fine to handle. So this is message processing. So we create a message processing channel. So two things. This is like thread for one. This is not multiple. It's like one thread for sending, one thread for receiving. Okay, consider doing. So I think referring to Go language. Don't communicate by sharing memory. Share memory by communicating. Okay. So controlling accesses mutex. So it's like what to tell. So what is mutex? So mutex is basically mutual exclusion. As in mutex allows only one thread to access some data at any time. So one thread. So if you have one thread, so this will access only one thing. Then I have panel of conference with one microphone. Before the panelists can speak, they have to ask or a signal that they want to use the microphone. Oh, okay, I bet it's good. Why my voice is changing? No problem. Management of mutex can be incredibly risky to get right, which is why so many people are enthusiastic about channels. So the mutex comes inside this. So mutex done right. So yeah, what the Neotex successful. So what Neotex does is, so Neotex is initialized here. So Neotex is 5. So only one thread. Okay. So now. So this is associated to new. It's I32. It's not I32. Okay, makes sense. So if you call log, that is called as Mutex card. So okay, it implements deref at point out to data. Okay, dereferences it. So okay, it's log. Then the log will return some result. So it is 100. So it's dereference to the memory address is dereferences 6. Okay, nice. Okay, so what is the multiple threads using Mutex? So can spend 10 threads. Each of the will value 1. Okay, the starting value is 0. Okay, and we'll use the error, learn more about Mutex. So we are creating 10 threads. Okay, makes sense. So 0 is the starting value and it is Mutex I32. So this gets 0 here. So and this is dereference plus 1. So the memory address. So if I write without short, we are flushing the memory address. Okay, makes sense. Then this. So as we create, we create 10 threads. So without Mutex, what will be the thing here? So we'll do that first here. So we are not using join data or handle in handles. So Node is searching. It's got 3 years, so that 3 years will be something. Okay, successfully it's 24. Do I get any subscribers? No. Okay, so inspiration, notice the inspiration. So live, let's do the live here. Okay, live now. I can live 2 things. So how to watch this? Next thing, so I have chain. Here somebody watched it. No problem. So here, okay, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Okay, send a message here. So if anybody watches, just subscribe my channel. So back to the rest. So without Mutex dot happens. So I'll do that here first. So I'll write a function here. So what function? It doesn't return anything. So it's there. So let count is equal to 0. So I'm not using any text or something. So let node handle is equal to it's a empty vector. So I'm creating 10 thread 0 to get 10. Okay. So yeah, let handle t is equal to thread dot on. So at this does so it will take oh okay so what this does is this thread increments the counter, okay, and pushes into that. So the now is, so I don't need to do that here. So I need to just count less one. So this does it. So then what happens here? So data is just handle dot to, so value is I is equal to, so q I is count. So count is done. Okay. So it's not at all. So why? So can I hold that? So I have moved it. So let count is equal to why? Okay, I change this chart. So we are changing this. Now this happens. So switch sentence also count edit. So what is there? So it's over before we agree. So I know that. So I just okay done. So and okay, I need to print that in handle. So I need to in handle. So it's like h dot join. So I just need to print that. So I'll just print the h here. So h here. So the value is like this. Yeah. So this is tada. Okay, done. So everything is done here. So I return an array. So I'll test this. Tada D. So I'll test. So I'll run this. Makes sense, right? So I run this cargo run. Okay, it's not increasing. Why? What is the error here? Why this happens? So count plus 1. So I'm moving it. I'm pushing the count to this. So I am trying to handle only. I am not getting. I what the dumbest thing. Okay, now this makes required formatting for items. Well, okay, font for items. Okay, this what does font? Okay, I'll try to make something like okay, so I'll use something debug or Q and it. So I just need it. So okay, so done. Okay, so I use sentence. So I just what is the error here? So make this into so compilation error. So mode okay. First is on counter. So move value. Okay. Sound thread on a secondary edition. Those counter okay. Disconnected notation. If even if it combined, each thread would get a separate copy of count. So think out that if it's 0 is changed to 1, so then it will automatically take 1. It's not synced here, so the thing is, so we are using shared concurrency or message passing using MPC channel. So arc and mutex. So it's like hard to tell. So we are making it mutex so that it will not lose its state, I guess. So this mutex is equal to new. So this is the starting value. Then I am making it to so write that cannot be reference. Why? So first we need to lock it first. So we cannot directly is equal to count dot log. So dot under because so now this works, I guess. Okay, 0 thread dots on inside this low handle was handle. Okay, now it should. So it's getting threads right. So h dot join dot under println result count dot log dot under. So okay, under now this one handle is getting the value Okay, T, HN handles, and H. So counter is count. Let count is equal to text dot 0. So what is the error here? It's like 0 to 100. So on the thread we are moving that thing here. So mom is equal to this. So counter is getting logged here and now. Then this now has been changed. So we are not changing the counter. So then this. So NRT what is the error? We can't run this. So atomic reference or arc.clone. So updated code will why? So what is arc? So it's atomic reference code. So I think it is. So does who? So multiple ownership with multiple threads. So we need to. Oh, okay. So you are referencing, selling it. So to how? Then we are cloning the counter. So cloning the counter. So sync is muted. So this is not thread safety confusion. So we are using atomic reference. So we need to study what is atomic reference and testing. So your trying to the type like so says atomic meaning atomics are kind of that we want cause is standard like for data. So I will do that. So what this does is so our clone okay. So arc is not defined. I know that. So yeah, let counter is equal to arc clone. So yeah, so I add so clone. So you're getting the reference of that. So okay, so I try to know it. So counter is done. So log the counter log. Okay, then it's so count. Okay, so change is so easy to learn. Okay, that's nice. Photo doc. So it's done. So now this hands. Cargo run. So result is 10. So how that works? So you should learn what is RC. So if you are using MPC channels, means what will you do? You will move that, you will add that value, then you will use that log so that you can add that properly without anything. So multiple ownership with multiple threads. So for multiple threads we are using RC header, then we are cloning it. So this will get errors, right? So we can't move that, so that we are using atomic one at one time. So comparing RSL and mutex. So we round out by talking about send. So transfer the ownership between threads is by using move here. Send is not implemented, so it's not out. Okay, just synchronize and parallelism. So we just see what is doing switches and just the sync program at triple. So it's like getting something. So asynchron time. So it's like I think that. So I think it can sound to last project so that this makes sense. So it will make sense here. Okay, so here we should be getting this here. So I guess today we can stop the stream. Sunny, nobody subscribe, no problem. But successfully we done our live stream, shorts and all that type. Okay, I closing this thing. I'll stop this. So bye bye guys. And okay. Okay, I ended it. So if you're watching on short, so you can also bye bye, thanks for watching.